Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Blackfort wallet, guys. This Blackfort wallet, they're actually doing a giveaway. All you have to do is to click on the link I'll be dropping on this video description, and also I'll be leaving my referral code. Once you input my referral code, you will be getting 100 of this Blackbot token BSN, guys. If you didn't use referral code, I don't think you will not be getting any. So click on the link, get the app. You can get the app on the Google Play Store. Then you input the code I'll be dropping on this video description now, guys. So let's get started. I'll have to install the app now. So guys, I'm done installing the app. So all I'll be needing is just my details: my first name, my last name, email, then referral ID. You have to, if you didn't use referral code, you will not be getting any, guys. So I'll be leaving the referral ID on this video description. Just input and then you'll be getting your 100, guys. This giveaway will be ending soon, so hop on it. So guys, I'm done inputting my details now. I'll have to click next. Do you understand? I'll have to click next and let's see what it brings up. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Scroll down to my channel. You will see some interesting videos that you will benefit from, guys. So I'll click on next now. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. So when you click on next, it's going to bring out this interface. Say this password will unlock your Blackfort wallet only on this service. Do you understand, guys? So I'll input my password and then confirm my password. Do you understand? Then I'll click on next. So guys, I'm done inputting my password, so I'll have to click next now. Do you understand? I will click on next. So guys, when you click on next, this interface will pop out. It will say confirm your email. Confirmation email is sent to your email. Do you understand? Check your email and click on the confirmation link to continue. Email will expire in 10 minutes. So I will go to my email, then I will click confirm and come back and let's see. Do you understand? So guys, this is the mail I received from them, guys. Make sure that you see this video to the end so that you will not complicate, like you will not make a mistake, you will not make mistake, guys. So I'll click on verify email now. Do you understand? Guys, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Share this video so that others can also benefit from it. If you are seeing this video on TikTok, go to my YouTube profile. You would go to my TikTok profile, you will see a YouTube icon there. Guys, you see a YouTube icon. When you click on it, it will redirect you to my YouTube channel where you're actually going to see this video. On this video description, you will see the link to get started with. Do you understand? So when you click on email, confirm email, when you click on it now, it will bring you to this interface. If you look here, you will see your email successfully confirmed. Now you can secure your wallet. I'll have to click on next. Do you understand? I will click on next. So guys, you know that this is a wallet. Do you understand? They're actually doing a giveaway for early users. So you say use seed phrase to secure your wallet. Protect your wallet by saving your seed phrase. Do you understand? So I'll click on start now so that I'll get my seed phrase and save everything so that my 100 BSN will be secured. Do you understand? So I'll be leaving the referral link and the referral ID on this video description. Make sure that you register with it so that you will get your 100 BSN, guys. So when you click on start, this interface will pop up. It will say tap to review your seed phrase. Make sure no one is watching your screen. Do you understand? So I'll pause this video now and then set my wallet. Say write down your seed phrase. We all know how to do this now. If you have Trust Wallet and MetaMask, you understand, and BitKeep, that's how it works. Do you understand? So I'll pause this video now and set my wallet. So guys, when you are done inputting when you tap on that, your seed phrase will show up. So when your seed phrase shows up, we all know how to set our wallet now. Do you understand? So when it shows up, you have to write it down. Do you understand? Or write it down on your email or you can use another phone to snap it. Then they will bring out an interface again where you're actually going to put it 1 2. Do you understand? You write down those phrase. After that, you click on next. That is it. You say success. You have successfully protected your wallet. Remember to keep your seed phrase safe. It's your personal responsibility. Do you understand? So I will have to click on go to wallet now. That is just it. So guys, when you log in, this is how the app looks like. Do you understand? This is a wallet where you can actually save your asset. Do you understand? So this is my 100 BSM. You can see that. Then this is the wallet. You can see your BSN on the referral box. If you click here, you see it. Do you understand? Look at it here. If you click here now, you will see it. So guys, if this is your first time of seeing my video, here in this channel we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency without spending a dime, guys. So this token now is not worth anything. We all know how TWT Trust Wallet did their own. Like it did not worth anything, but now I'm gonna check TWT on Binance and see what is actually currently trading on. Do you understand? So when you are done with the registration, you can invite your friends. Do you understand? Invite your friends and earn more. Do you understand? So click on this video description. You see when you I'll be leaving my referral code on this video description. Do you understand? So when you input my referral this new you earn 100, then you invite your friends and earn more. Do you understand, guys? So that will be all for now, guys. See you soon.